Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and here I am in our outdoor studio, which would be a great place to talk about a new little knife that I have gotten myself. Just so you know, at the end of this video, I'm going to come back with a Doug score of 1 to 5 and let you know how much I like, or maybe I don't like this knife because I haven't opened it and used it yet. To me, it looked like a great everyday carry knife. I saw it, it's spring assisted, it has a cool American flag, it's stainless steel. Gotta be a no-brainer to get this knife, right? Here it is. So you can see it up close. Oh, this thing is so cool looking. This is such a cool little everyday carry knife. I will say it's nice and light. It's not terribly heavy. It is stainless steel construction. Let's see. Woo, look at that. It is kind of a tactical style. I will say it is a little more basic than most tactical knives that I've gotten. You know, normally they come with the little pokey end to break a window, or the little thing to cut your seatbelt if you have to get out of your seatbelt harness really quickly or something like that. But this one doesn't. That's probably why it's a little lighter, because it is just purely a really cool knife. So yeah, so it's super light, super cool looking, great everyday carry. You know, it is it's spring actuated, so it has like this thumb lock that you have to be, so you know, don't hurt yourself when you're closing it. One more time, see what happens. Woo, look at that. I gotta do that one more time for you. Oh, that is just awesome. This is a great everyday carry, super cool. It is awesome looking, works well. This has to be a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score, because what else could I want? An American flag on a cool knife that's spring actuated. This from me, that's all I gotta say. See you next time. I hope that was helpful.